Hi guys, here we are at Rowston Level Crossing in Lincolnshire with Joe and Andrew. What's going to happen today? That boat is going nice and quick. There we go, now the time is 18:24 on Saturday the 18th of April 2050. This is for our 18:23 2 kilo 53 Smithers train service from Lincoln Central to Sleaford. If you're wondering why I'm not talking properly at the moment, I've got a bit of a cold. I can't breathe very well. I usually say Central, Lincoln Central, but I'm like Lincoln Central at the moment. Every time I try talking my normal way, I nearly sneeze. Dogs are okay. If there's somebody trying to sit dogs off their knees, I'll literally drop the barriers. Yeah, I can see Scroppy's lights flashing. Here she is. What do you reckon this train will be, Andrew? And then what number do you reckon it will be?
Let's think.
Let's make a wild guess.
No.
Fine, here we go. We've got 153357. 153357 to Sleaford, and up they go. Thank you guys, I shall see you in tomorrow's videos.